banks nowadays have become a necessity because we are using more and more smartphones, and smartphones require a lot of power. So it's handy to carry a power bank with us. Today we can have a deep look at MI Powerbank 2i, which released recently, and it is coming in two variants and different colors. So we'll be looking into the 20,000 mAh variant as well as 10,000 mAh variant, its input, output, and how it is priced. On unboxing the power bank, we can just see a cable that is white and short, and the power bank itself and some manual done based on the functionality of the power bank. That's it. First, we can look into the 20,000 mAh power bank and its specifications. The MI Powerbank 2i 20,000 mAh is compatible with a wide range of devices and intelligently adjusts power output to match device requirements. You can charge two devices simultaneously, and you can expect 5.1 volt and 3.6 dual output. So you can do pass-through charging as well. That is, you can connect your phone while the power bank is charging in the charging port. So there are two output points, that is two USB-A ports available in the power bank, which can be used to charge other phones and iPads or tablets. And there is an input micro USB port that you can use to charge the power bank. We can charge the 20,000 mAh power bank with any external adapter with 5 volts input and 2 amps, and also 9 volt input and 2 amps. I tried charging 20,000 mAh power bank in two different variants of input adapters, that is 9 volt and 2 ampere adapter took 6.7 hours to charge the power bank fully, and same was 5 volt and 2 amp adapter charged the power bank by 10 hours. The 20,000 mAh power bank is on the heavier side, so you can have an alternative of 10,000 mAh power bank which is comparatively lighter and provides similar functionalities and similar output results. Let's now look into specifications of the 10,000 mAh power bank. It weighs approximately 245 grams, and it is having two USB type A ports, and its rated capacity is 3.85 volts, 10,000 milliamperes at 38 watt hours. It is having a 1 micro USB input and 2 USB type A as output. It gives an input of 5 volts and 2 amps, and it can output similar as 5.1 volts and 2.4 amps. So when I tried the charging speed, it took approximately 4.2 hours with an 18 watt charger and 6.2 hours with a 10 watt charger. The 10,000 mAh power bank is available in various colors like white and dark blue as well as red, which looks attractive, but the 20,000 mAh power bank is only available in the white color. You can find the links in the description below so that you can buy it through Amazon, which will help the channel. With the 10,000 mAh power bank, I can charge my S10 Plus twice, and iPhone 7 3 times, and iPad mini for almost 1 time. Hope this video helped to know about the MI 2i power bank. So links are provided in the description, and if you are not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button below so that you can watch more videos like this in the future. Thanks for watching, and bye bye now.